uh, I just woke up from a nap. That was a needed nap. It was a very needed nap actually. I don't. I like looking at analysis of when I sleep, and the phone still hasn't given it to me, and I'm like, what the hell? Why'd I buy you? Give me my sleep analysis, please, God. Yeah, let me check again. Because I think it, like, won't give it to you if it's, like, you've been up for just a little bit. If she not thick, she ain't it. Well, you ain't seen what's below my waist. So, welcome, Teddy Bear. Welcome to the stream. Good to have you. Thank you for coming. How long did I nap? I napped 48 minutes. Shit, I thought it was longer than that. Anyway, we're back on working on the cache for Kanojo. So that'll be fun. It will be. I have an idea on what to do. It's a little mixture of scorched earth and keeping things the same. So that'll be fun, hopefully. Alright, well. I suppose we should get right into it. Oh. There we go. Alright, I do need to look up one thing. Let me know if I look jittery today. I feel a little shaky. I don't know. A little odd. But I do need to look up how to cache. The caching bitmaps guide. Because I can't find reference on a certain class outside of that guide. It also, like, kind of has, like, a whole thing set up. The disk ORU cache. Okay, yeah. That's what I want. The disk ORU cache. That's the way to do it. Huh. Okay, so this shit's probably gonna have to all die. We probably want to design. Well, going off the guide, right? Hmm. Hmm. I don't know. Hmm. I think the guide puts it inside of a... Inside of like a... Either the app? I don't think the app takes a save instance bundle and it's on create though. No, it doesn't. So it's like sets it up in an activity. I don't think that's a wise way to do it. I'd like to have that separate. Or part of this. But definitely like the on create here would be where I want to get it going. Yeah, that'll do. 48 in a minute nap felt amazing. I didn't get a good look at it, like what it said my kind of sleep was. Asleep. Hard asleep. Listen to audio plays a lot when I sleep. Or before I go to sleep. It relaxes me, I don't know. Alright, we should probably make like a new thing. I don't know. How should we design this? Or where should we put it, rather? I mean, I could kind of make it generic, which means it might exist outside of, like, the scope of BarcodeKANOJO. Could do that. Would I put it under utils? No, probably not. Just under Goujer? No, that doesn't sound right either. Well, it is an Android exclusive thing, so what I could do is I could do... I like this more. Because I think, we have app Android library. Yeah, so I just have Goujer Android. Yeah, that sounds good. Maybe a good place to put it. Alright, what are we gonna name this thing? Dynamic image cache. Sounds reasonable. So I want it to kind of feature both in-memory cache and then also utilize disk cache. I want to ideally write to both and then load from disk. Hey Red Death, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope things are going well for you today. We're thinking of a cache. I think a dynamic image cache would be a good name. Yes, that's what I'll name it. The dynamic image cache. Yeah. Alright. Add it manually later. Okay, what are we gonna put in this bitch? I'm doing fine. I woke up from a nap. I was like, okay, work's over. I am tired. I could start the stream early, or I could take a nap. And I chose to take a nap. Felt really good. And I woke up just in time to start the stream. Well, work's been hell. They're making me do a bunch of stuff that naps are the best. Good nap never doesn't feel good. Okay. Oh man, I'm thinking about naps now. Ooh. Good nap. Alright. Perfect. Bar. Very good. Private bar. This better be like a real data type that Android has, or else I'll be kind of pissed. Sample code. The sample code of this class uses a disk LRU class implementation, which is pulled from the Android source. Huh. What the fuck? Looking at this thing. Let me just show it off here. So they don't want me to actually use like that'll work. I was googling how to spell bratwurst, and I'm always unsure how to spell bratwurst. It's a weird word. Wish my face would convey puzzled more. Better. This is an LRU disk cache implementation. It's open source, so we could use it. It's official Google. Let's see why we couldn't use it. I want to make a system that could be swapped out for Glide very easily. Which might end up happening anyway, but I don't know for certain. Either way, this seems like it could be fun to try to implement this sort of setup into the app. Yes. Okay, so... It's Red Planet. I did turn off no votes, right? Yeah, it's rental only. I don't know why I don't just leave that open. I don't like the chat spam that Pretzel does, but at the same time, it's not the worst thing. Well, let me download this. Java libcore IO. What the fuck? I'm like trying to think of where to source main Java libcore IO. So, in comparison to my project, Java is there. So it wants me to make a new... I'm trying to win, cheese. I'm trying. How are you doing tonight? I'm gonna put it into Barcode.io. And then we gonna... I'm trying to implement a disk LRU cache implementation because I need one. And Google got one. Disk LRU cache. No. I don't code at work basically. That's like almost a misconception about my job description in a way. I do code at work. I just never code like this. I'm never just like given a problem and then given absolute free reign and silence to figure it out. It's always like, oh well, maybe that isn't what we designed it to be. Also, I'm put on the UI team. And I'm not that in... I thought I used to think I'd be into UI. Because why not? But then I just ended up not being into it. Where do my tab go? Okay, this thing. Okay, I don't want everything. Okay, ooh. I kind of like just like logical shit. Ideally, I like trying to simulate something that already happens. Although I'd say the most fun I have programming straight up is on my machine learning algorithm. Because I have a machine learning algorithm for March Madness basketball games. And it is honestly kind of scary how good it can be. It will, without giving too much away up from it, because I don't want anyone stealing it. It basically analyzes team statistics from NCAA basketball teams, and then it will run them against the results of previous years. Yeah, I'm not showing it. I could show you it running maybe, but it's not exactly in a working state right now. I had to... Issue is it started generating numbers and doing math that was too complicated for any reasonable amount of time to take place. It was trying to do integer... It was doing math that it shouldn't have been... That a computer can't feasibly do, like a modern computer. It needed like a supercomputer to run, and I'm like, okay. You can predict all basketball games from 2010 to 2019 with a accuracy of, I think it got up to 92% accuracy. I think I've gotten it to perfect the year 2018 and 2019. So I definitely know 2019. I got a perfect algorithm that was able to look at team statistics from 2019 and then tell you exactly who won and who lost without actually knowing who won and who lost. It was just trained to look at stats and then... Nah, you ain't stealing it. I'm telling you how it works. I gotta win the March Madness bracket by using machine learning algorithms. I've already beaten my, okay, so I, help I like basically went on GitHub, found a machine learning algorithm that uses n-dimensional regression one year. That one, I tied. It nearly tied. Actually, I did win among my family bracket. Dude, I don't even need to win money by betting if I did that. I think, like, what? Warren Buffett said he'll give $1 million to anyone who can predict a perfect bracket. I want that Warren Buffett money, man. I want the Warren Buffett money. Give it to me. I'm just a poor VTuber. I mean, it is kind of cool. Maybe I might show a little bit. I don't know if I have it open. I'll show you the front end. How's that? Not the back end shit. Oh, the front end does have a little bit of the back end. I don't know. Maybe I probably shouldn't. But it is kind of cool how it works. Oh, a 4D model. Holy shit. Spent all my money on a 4D model. Oh yeah, I gotta... Doesn't like some of these classes. Why doesn't it like these classes? What's wrong? Do I need to... Oh no, don't tell me. Okay, so with the March Madness algorithm, I don't want to say what it does with the statistics, but I will say it has gotten, yeah, 92% from 2010 to, yeah, the issue, oh yeah, the issue with it. I've already explained all this. The issue with it was it was making math too big. It was trying to do, like, God, it was doing ungodly exponents and logarithms and sines and cosines that, like, huge numbers. And because Python doesn't limit how big an int can be, it was just taking up all the memory. So I would just run this thing, right? I come back and it hadn't moved after like 3 hours. And then I look at my memory usage. It's like, oh, 64 gigabytes of memory are dedicated to this process. And then I like debug into it and it's sure enough, it's just one massive fucking number. It's huge, this number. And I'm just like, we don't... I get your mutating algorithm. I get your just trying everything because that's what you do. You're genetic and you try that shit. But you gotta have some limits here. You can't be doing this shit. So what I'm doing on the latest rewrite is I am going to limit to doing only floating point arithmetic. Because that is an actual, that's limited in Python. It won't exceed floating point. Here's the thing, if I make a limit for it, that becomes very broad, because it doesn't take a lot for, like, an exponent to get stupidly big. So, like, I think, like, what, if I... Calculator. Okay, so, like, if I take 2 to the power of 5,000, these are easy numbers to get. I'm already at a number that fucking huge. It doesn't take much to make a thing big. So if I limit it to only floats, then this just be, I'll make this math.infinity. That's one of the things that, so the big issue is every time it like tries to throw an exception for doing math, I have to prevent it from doing so. So if it's like, oh, well, this number doesn't fit, it's too big. I'm like, oh, well, would it be positive or negative? Oh, it'll be negative. And I calculate out, oh, it'll be negative. Okay, well then if it's too big to fit, let's make it infinity. So negative infinity. Because Python has that concept. And like, when it comes to like things like, oh, well, on a certain logarithm, you can approach 1, but it won't actually equal 1, because that's a forbidden number. Well, so it'll throw an error, or not a number. But then I'm like, well, what if we just return the number it was approaching instead? So with whatever logarithm that would be, it would be 1. And then that's how it works. I think I need this disk ORU cache. I'm gonna need to steal more code from this. Is there a structure? Yes, there is a strict line reader. There is. Why have this if it's like not? I don't know. I ain't gonna question it. When is the loneliest number? Man, you ain't seen some of the numbers. One of the things I have to do now is I have to implement an error function thing for complex numbers. So that means imaginary numbers. I'm just like, oh, great, yeah, fun. Oh, that's wonderful. I love doing shit like that. Sometimes I get lazy on that, and I'm like, okay, well, what if I just do the error function for the first part of the imaginary number, the real part, and then I do it for the imaginary part, and then I just return an imaginary number with that. That's fine, right? That's how you do math. Oh yeah, but fucking, I think not a number's the loneliest number, because it's not a number. Or imaginary one, that would be lonelier, because it doesn't even exist on the normal number dimensions. It's outside of the normal dimensions. What is the loneliest number? I heard that song, I think, from the Recess movie. The Disney Recess movie. Wait, this is the wrong IDE. If you know what the Disney Recess, like the Recess School's Out, that movie, that shit was kick-ass. Strict line reader. Yeah, they're essentially vectors, but part of me is almost like, maybe I just nuke those two. Why can't it find that character set thing? Is that a typo? Yeah, the one with the alien in Summer Vacation. That movie. That was a great movie. I think. I don't remember. I'm like confused here. Do I just have to write my own disk cache? I feel like I don't want to though. Why can't this just be built in? It was a good movie. I want to watch that movie. Maybe we could do a watch along. We could do a bonus stream watch along thing. Everyone's doing those nowadays, the movie watch alongs. Probably on Disney. Oh, I'm not. I don't think I'm supposed to say. Serve it. I'm not supposed to say that name. I think I just said a cursed name. They're gonna fucking DMCA me just for saying it. I'm dead. Oh, fuck. Well, this is the last stream, everyone. I hope you enjoy it. What is this libcore? Can I just download libcore? Is there like a complete version of it? Because I'm like, don't want to deal. Just give me this shit. It says lib core. I wouldn't have you like library core? Would this be like the core of the library? Right? I'm like not crazy on that thought, right? Actually, there is one more coding VTuber. I did find one. And they're working on a Unity game. I've looked at their stuff a little bit. They're kind of cool. Much bigger than me, that's for sure. They also have hand tracking. They move their arms. I can't even do that. I get subscribed to them and unsubscribed from them. I just don't like live streams showing up in my feed. I like a lot of VTubers, but when they stream on YouTube, I'm like, oh, I don't know what their name was. I could look it up quick. I don't know what Let me see. Okay, I found it. Okay, I'll type it in the chat because Ethel Chamomile channel VTuber. Yeah, that's their YouTube. Go check them out. They're kind of cool. It's like me, but more professional. Yeah, I don't want to just keep copying and pasting and trying to figure out why it's not working. I'd rather just... Well... Okay, here... I'm conflicted. Do I want to have a... I could just make it so there just isn't a disk cache on lower versions and use Glide and whatnot. I don't... This is so confusing. Why don't it just work? Huh? What the hell? Just work, please, God. The fuck is libcore? Is that part of this too? Yes, apparently. What? I'm screaming inside. Okay. Don't want to be implementing all of this shit. Oh, computer, work! Guys, it's working! Please work. That's nicely, then hit it. Work harder, computer. Come on. OS is another class. What the? What am I looking at? I don't even know. I guess it's going in. God damn it. Oh shit, I like actually break something. Chat's just like quiet now. Now I'm like worried that like, oh shit, maybe I lost internet. I didn't hit my computer. I would never do such a thing. I love my computer. I've had it for so long. Well, I've had the case anyway. I like my case. It's an MS. It's a Thermaltake MS1 Commander Red Edition. God damn, do I love me some red. Alright, so is shit like resolving in this, or we still don't have that character set thing. I don't know what the fuck's up with it. I'm just, oh god, do I even want to? This is so annoying. If I just like, alright, you, die. I don't know what that is. System log W. What the fuck is system log W? What the fuck is that? I've never heard of that. None I've ever seen. Screaming. Ah. Alright, screw this. This isn't... I could spend all fucking stream working on trying to get some garbage thing to work, or I could just do shit. So my thought right now is that older devices don't even have much storage anyway. I mean, honestly, like, if you, like, dug out your, like, old Android phone... I have one in my hand right now, you can't see it. But yeah, like, I have, like, a Sony Ericsson, Play. Sony Xperia Play. This shit, like, is made for, like, PSP games, and, like, no, not PSP, PS1 games and shit. Like, tons of stuff on, I mean, so, it runs out of storage all the time. It's like... And then I have another phone that's older, and it's always complaining about internal storage issues. Like, these older Android phones suck at internal storage, because it's always like, they shipped them with like 1/4 of a gigabyte or 1/2 a gigabyte. Not even half. Like 1/8 of a gigabyte. And shit by default, like, installs not on the SD card. Installs in internal storage. There's no room for that shit. After you install the updates, it's like, there's nothing. So, I guess that plan's getting scrapped. No dynamic image cache. New plan. We're going to... Well... What if I leverage some of the existing cache setup? That might work. Actually, that's not the worst idea. Yeah, it's not the worst idea. If I... Yeah, let's go with that. I convert, like, the current cache system into something more modern. But at the same time, I'm gonna want to start deleting files, which it doesn't do. By default, app would let this cache grow until it literally couldn't grow any more. That's not an ideal scenario. But at the same time, I want to make something that can scan older devices and see if there might be those zip files with the extra part data. Because we still want to get that back. That would be nice to have. Okay, yeah. I think the good first step would be to implement the LRU cache. So, because that will work fucking down to old Android. There's 2 LRU caches though. There's a support library. There's like an Android X version, I think. Does this mean I'm finally gonna have to break apart versions? I already got them together again. I don't want to undo that. Yeah, the way that originally worked was like that. For in-memory cache. Then I was like, nope. That doesn't work. So in theory I could... Well, wait, I still need to get rid of the Apache shit. So yeah, it all has to come down. It all has to come tumbling down, tumbling down, tumbling down. Alright, here's the example setting up LRU cache for bitmaps. Max memory, cache size. I don't think I want... Oh yeah, it's memory, ain't it? Yeah, I suppose. Make it a setting too. Yeah, we could do that. I think I like that idea. A solid idea, yeah. Yeah, not bad idea. I think that's a pretty good idea. Okay, so... Memory cache. This little bitch right here. That's the bitch we want. Get over here. We want. I don't know what I'm looking at. I suppose that should probably be like part of the constructor, shouldn't it? Yeah, probably. I don't know. Let's I'm gonna copy this motherfucker. Alright, we got a basic gist of what we need. Interesting. Cache size we measured in kilobytes rather than number of items. I suppose you could do that. I don't know how it works. Beats the hell out of me. Alright, we need to make this freaking constructor. You want... Ideally, the cat... Oh, I'm starting to understand why I have to restart to change cache sizes. That makes sense. Okay, we got max memory and cache size. Does max memory ever get used again in this little fucker? No. Okay, cool. What if we take this little boy and we go to... Where's our little boy? This little boy. And this little boy. I didn't set this up like this. So don't judge me. Don't judge how this looks. It doesn't hurt, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know if this is optimal. What are we gonna name this motherfucker? Just cache size, probably a good idea. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. That one I might need to use eventually. You. We're going on a trip. Okay, so we want to make setters and getters, yada yada yada. Do something like this. This might record. Oh yeah, that. I can just copy that again. Code's nothing but copy and paste anyway. Okay. Do commit. Size. I'm gonna name this motherfucker size. Yada. Okay, yeah, I'm like not insane. What did I name it? Just cast size. Okay, cool. Should it have preference in front of it? I don't know. I mean, it would be in line with everything. I didn't name it those though. Preference. Yeah. That looks good. Okay. Cache size. We're gonna put an int. Yes, yes, yes. Get cache size. Returns an int. Definitely. This is shit. Fix it. Yeah, it is. I think we could just return this. I can spell. I know English. I do English good. Listen to me. Sure. This whole application settings thing is written like absolute trash. But it works. It's one of those things where it's like, I would really love to overhaul this and make it really pretty and optimal and shit. But then it's like, you know, I could spend a bunch of hours doing that, but then it's like, no one's gonna notice. That's what hurts the most. We'll punch a bunch of time into some shit and then knowing that it just will not fucking matter. It just absolutely will not fucking matter. Alright. Oh, new line snuck in there. And then we divide that by 8. Can I ask what they... Oh. Yes. All good. All good. Yes, yes, yes. All good. Alright, so now we can do that. So, int cache size. What if we do... Which LRU cache do we use? There's something about that. I don't remember what it was. Okay. LRU cache. What version of Android does that go back to? Class requires API version 12 or higher. Okay, yep, that's a problem. Okay, use the support library version, but then I have to start dealing with that. I'm gonna have to do the support library version to some extent, though. What's your problem? Oh. Huh. It's almost like supporting versions less than 14 is unheard of. Which it kinda is, let's be real. It kind of is unheard of. Especially right now, nowadays. Make that bigger for you guys. Yeah, it looks about the same. Actually, no, I can't. I need more scope. I'm sorry. You'll have to deal with the gobbledygook that's hardly legible for you. Go, I don't know, like, chat more. Your friends that all chat at the same time. We get 10 people to chat in like a minute. I get another Twitch achievement, and then I'll up my quality. Because that's how it works here. It's part of Android's support package. I don't... Not a fan, honestly. I dealt with that before and I got it semi-working. Cause the issue is if I can't just have like, this isn't like C, right? Where I could say, if build is greater than build.sdk version greater than 12, import this, else import support library. No, you can't do that shit. You piece of shit. So the question is, what do we do? I don't want to cut versions below 9, but... Or versions below 12, if I can help it. That'd be it. Always my arch nemesis, the support library. Well, this, changes things a little bit, doesn't it? It's no longer like cutting off at the library cuts off. Library cutoffs. It's cutting off at a different spot. So then I'd have to define min. Oh god, excuse me. What happened when I... You didn't see me? Whoa. That was nuts. I have to define like a min API 12. I'm not against it, I just don't want to do it. But it is kind of fun to do. We could try it. Yeah, it says... It's like, oh yeah, pick your API version. I definitely know we can get to there, but other places would be difficult. Right now I could do min API 9, min API 12. That would be... I don't want, do I want to do this now? I suppose. I have to face my demons eventually. Could be fun, who knows? Okay. Which means that I have to go up here and go bye-bye. Do I have target SDK version? Yeah, I do have that down there. I just comment those out. Well, right now that would be 27 then. And then I have to define... Okay, we have these. Alright. Shit. What's your issue? Fuck you. I do what I want, bitch. I do what I please. Hopefully that's not like a hard error, otherwise I'll be kind of like, oh fuck. I suppose they do have to stop you at some point from... Seems more like a hard warning to me, just gonna say. Just saying. See, it's building fine, no problem. Yeah, it seems to be building fine. It's all good. Looks all good to me. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to new package. We're gonna make our own support library. We have to do something special though. I don't remember what to do. There's a way we can define. So now, I believe right now, if we go to build variant, yes, we have like 3 flavors. Thankfully, we don't need this, right now we don't need the support library for anything higher than 12. We won't need it for anything higher than 12. Leaf, I'm scooting around. Oof. Oh. Disco party! Boom, baby. Okay. Let's do a hard thing. Alright, we have our support already. I guess, where does, I think if we just look up LRU cache, we'll find it pretty damn quick. Android X collection. Under Android, it's under util. Under Android support, I don't even think it wants to show me the support library version, honestly. I think it's been hiding those lately. Android X page might link back to the, no, it doesn't. Okay. Hey, use this to write, yet Android X's support library doesn't run on things before 12, so it's like, on things before 14, I mean. So it's like, why do you exist? Can you explain your existence to me? Yeah, that makes the most sense. But we're not here to question that too much. We'll just put it under collection. Support, new, package, collection. Now is the iffy part, because I have to make... Oh god, I don't remember how to do this entirely. Shit, I can do this. Okay, we want to go show this in Explorer. Okay, here we go. Goujer. Might actually need to go all the way there. I don't know why I'm doing that. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna have that right there. The documentation for this was iffy, or I just don't know how to read. I don't remember. But I think if I make min API then I just slowly make Java com Goujer. Android. Support. Collection. And we call this I'm not entirely stupid. Okay. Alright, so I think what we can do. We have this. Alright, so let's open that file. We have class. Cache. Where would it be in the support library? LRU cache. What's your problem? Can you just, like, do it? No, I can't. Okay. What is max size? Oh, it can just do it for me. Cool. Package directive does not. Change file package. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we do this here. Then we go to this one. Make LRU cache. Except we don't use this one. What's your problem? Yes, but we won't use this one, right? Probably not. Maybe it will be smart enough to just have that be the default, and then in the minimum API scenario, we just use the minimum API one. Yeah. That'll be good, right? Yes, no? We won't have to have a bunch of bullshit. Please, God. I don't want to... Oof. Why do I sit on my chair funny? I sit on my chair, like, with my legs on the chair as well, so my feet are, like, touching my butt, kind of. I'm like Futaba from Persona 5, but my butt is on the ground. Does It's under util in both the support library, old support library, and in the maybe I should make it under util, but it is under collections in Android X, so. Is it under collection or collections? Collection. Okay. Do I want to follow Android X or do I want to follow Android? I kinda hate Android X for no reason other than it exists. So let's go with I don't know. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. Da-da, da-da. Redecoration. Yes, it's a redecoration. I know. I don't know. Try building it. Dropbox, you foil me once again. Build it. Wow. Nani? Oh, that's not how you do that shit. It's Kotlin. What am I, a pool? Of course I am, but you don't have to say it out loud, God. Yeah, this is gonna break, I know it is, but I just wanna see. Yeah, what's the... Oh yeah, it's that. Cool. Okay, now let's complain about redecorations. What if I add that? What's still complain? Yeah, well. Hi, they. Okay, so I'm surprised I've been able to get away with this like this far. This far. Ooh. Ooh. My wrist made like a weird poppy noise. It's like, ooh, God. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm a disgusting gremlin. I am a goblin. I'm in a human form now, so I'd be wearing off soon though. Now we'll see if it happens. I don't know. Chad accepts me for who I am. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is we're going to have to move this. This one. How far up do we go? Yeah, right there. Cut. So then we have to go into source, new folder, min API 12. New folder, Java. folder folder. Android. I don't like collections. I'm gonna make a util now. Because I can. I'm evil. I'm an evil little goblin bastard, so fuck everything. Okay. So we have that one now. Alright, so we don't use that one. We use the com.goujer.support Android. com.goujer.android.support.ru cache. The better one, the best one. Annie? Alright, fuck you. I changed its location though. That's not where it's located anymore. This type is final, so it cannot be inherited from. Oh. Okay, I get what I gotta do. Open. And I have to go to... this one. Oh, I guess we don't need that one anymore. Open. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. So you see here, we have these build flavors, right? So I'm just explaining to the chat because I feel like doing it because I want to explain it to myself. Okay, what we got here is we have these build flavors, right? So there's these tasty little nuggets of flavor. And so we can specify source files to be exclusive to those flavors. So what we've done is we've independently, we are changing the min API 9, so that flavor now implements this. But every other flavor doesn't. Only min API 9 will do that. So then we'll have the support library when we build for the API 9 flavor. And then we'll use the old support library for this. And then when we're on the min API 12 flavor, we'll be using this one. Bada bang, bada boom. I do this because I can. Not because it makes sense, but because I can. I hope to support API level 4. Won't that be lovely? I'll have to copy some stuff. Why ideally? Well, I think like what's holding me back? I have to look again. The Google Play Services maps, yeah, that's holding me back. Billing, that's also holding me back. I think those are it, actually. I removed everything else. 9 was a huge cutoff point. There's a lot of stuff that was just like, yeah, we're not gonna support anything before 9. Yeah, but I'm in API 9 to support up to 10.01. So this might not even be needed. I don't know what happens if I just say, fuck it, 4. Because every Android device is guaranteed to at least be upgradable to 4. According to Wikipedia, anyway. Yeah, something's gonna fuck. Yeah, it's maps. Yeah, I don't even... I'm sure there's some way we can think to just completely avoid using maps. Probably. On those versions. And billing's gonna go eventually. So API 4 isn't impossible. I don't have any devices that go that far back. I do have an API level 8 device. I think I have like one version of BarcodeKANOJO on that, but it like doesn't even work. It just is like, oh hey, I exist. You launch me, I crash immediately. It's not ideal, but you know, it works to an extent. It's on the phone. There's a bunch of other cringe projects I got on there too. Okay, so hoping this works, because now we have a different problem. This bitmap. Let's look up bitmaps. Bitmap. Android NDK. Fascinating. Might be an old thing we can use. As we want get function does it want? Byte count. Maybe under get byte count. Yes. Okay. Well, I guess it's a good thing we came here, because it says as of build.versions.kitkat. This method can no longer be used to determine the usage of memory usage of a bitmap. Okay. But wow, that'd be fancy, didn't it? This can be larger than the result of get byte count if a bitmap used to decode other bitmaps of smaller size. What the fuck? Well, this thing. On their example, they're using byte count. Should I just keep using byte count? I mean, it is updated at common. That could just be auto-translated for all I know. You didn't see that. Say when this was last updated. 2020, 5.7. It's not that old. It's kind of an old version too. It might just be that's the one we want to use. Because I don't think we wanna larger than the result of your byte count if a bitmap is reused to decode other bitmaps or by manufacturer. I don't think we're doing that. So if a bitmap is not modified in this way, this value will be the same as returned by get byte count. This value will not change over the life of a bitmap. Okay. Still doesn't say like what the fuck we do for older ones. I mean, I just feel like might as well use it. Better safe than sorry. Oh, that's my wallpaper. Don't look at that. Okay, byte count. Well, shit. Does the question mark operation still work in Kotlin? I don't know. One way to find out. Um. Does it build that? I don't fucking know. I don't know. Build that device dot. That was the blah, blah. That was like build.os.version. How do you get the OS version? I'm not going crazy, am I? I do it. Wait a minute. I like do it right here. Yeah, build. Oh, it's just build that version. Okay. All right. Wait, then we have like that SDK underscore and yeah. Why do we gotta do integer dot person int? Just do that. Okay, what's your issue now? Yeah, fuck you. It's not. Oh damn! I didn't know that. Darn. Sorry. I guess I'm just stupid. I want to do something like that. Kit Kat. Else we want bitmap dot. What's the other one? Okay, that's easy. Um. Oive, hopefully those aren't private. I feel like just writing framework shit all day today. I don't know why. I'm gonna write more framework help. I'm gonna make another util. We're gonna name it bitmap util. Isn't that nice? You know what? I don't know if it's supposed to be a class. What does string util look like? Doesn't even have a class. Fuck you. Alright, we got a class. We got a function to write. What do we call this function? Well, we're gonna call it. You're gonna call it what the thing was. Get by count. Yeah, we gotta put a fun in front of it because functions are fun. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, what do we? Gotta do a little bitmap. And bitmap is a bitmap. Fancy. Alright, then we're just gonna copy this motherfucker. Yeah. We gotta figure out how to get that. Is recycled. Alright, let's look at that. Is recycled. Okay, yeah, we just do is recycled. If bitmap dot is recycled. I suppose we should have a util, shouldn't we? A tag, I mean. Value. Tag. Equals. Oh yeah, values are final by default, aren't they? Bitmap. Util. What's your problem? Sure. Works for me. Int. I think is what we want to return. We don't need those to open anymore. Hey, this isn't going so bad. I was thinking we might run into more issues, but you know, I don't think we are. Yeah, it's an int. Okay. Well, damn. What's your problem? Okay. get byte count for API less than 12. I don't know why, but I find such joy in doing that kind of stuff. Like, I'm not supposed to, but I can do it anyway. You know what I mean? Although I'm now thinking, like, it's from Android.jar, but no longer be used to determine the memory use of a bitmap. Does that mean I want to look at an older version of this? Can I show that in Explorer, please? What version is... Oh, wait, 12 was where it was introduced. So let's go to 12. Android.jar. Well, how do I access the different version? I want to access a different Android platform version. Wait, I set it to 29 though. You know what? I probably have to go like, fuck that. Yeah, give it to me, bitch. I demand it right now. Thank you. There, okay, so now when where's our little thingy? A bobber. Did I lose it? Did I close it by accident? It's our little cache. Where's our little cute little cachey boy? Wow, that generated some side effects. Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Nope. Android? Oh, let's close that. Okay. So... Oh. Okay. Screw you. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, screw you. Okay. So, let's go to here. Don't hide obsolete shit from me. Show package details. Zoop. Okay, Android 12. Sources, okay. Source for Android 21, source for Android 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. 14 might be as low as we're allowed to go on that front. Okay. Alright, there we go. I guess we'll just go look at the API 14 version instead. Okay. So what we'll do is we will then come back there. 14. Sync now. This. Go to Navigation is not available here during index update. Okay. I don't know, try building it. Do some shit. Dance, monkey, dance! Do it! I'm curious how my friend's stream's going. A chungus. Annoying my friends. Haha. Hope they're doing good. Okay, well, can I access it now, mister? Yay! Okay, oh wow, that's actually the same fucking thing. Okay. Well then. We're not missing much. Alright, so then we're all Gucci. Would they say that new like thing was that was gonna be available? New Android or whatever? Android 12. Oh god, I'm so confused. Why do they have to give switches the numbers? All the other shit was so much cooler. The desserts, it was so fun. So fun and creative. We never made it to Z. I was looking forward to it. Come on, how far did we get? Like Q? How far? Oh, I know PQ. I know P Pi. Yeah, the Android Pi was a thing. What? Android version history. Ah, what? When did we stop here? Pi. Pi was the last one. Oh. That's a bit sad. Dang. Did it have a name, like behind the scenes at least? Couldn't think of a dessert named Q. Oh shit. Did they have a dessert? And Google the desserts. No. Sad day. Sad day. Okay, so what we do? I think is we're gonna do. This is gonna look so bad. What if we var size bytes isn't it? We're in Kotlin now. We don't need to do all that stuff. I don't like how that. I like the you say var int. Var type name. I like that much better. I have issues with Kotlin, but I do think it's a better language than Java. It ain't perfect in my opinion. I think it's aggression on like preventing null pointer exceptions is a bit excessive and stupid. And at the, yeah, it's just obsessive and stupid. Like, fucking let me pass null sometimes, bitch. I guess you can, but you have to do a special character, and then like, I don't know, it just seems like a, probably because I'm not used to it yet, honestly. Yeah, I don't want to do this as one line. This is gonna, it's gonna get too big and ugly. All right. I still have to do the squiggly brackets though. Okay. I want to switch this up, greater than or equal to, because it'll become more common as time goes on, so we want to save on runtime costs there. Okay, and then we want to put in an else if. You know what I'm doing. Else if. Stop yelling at me, please. God. It's so annoying, Kotlin. That one does sound like just some guy's name. It's greater than or equal to. I don't. What's it complaining about with this? API level 12, honeycomb. Huh. So that would just be, oh, MR1. I had to get still, that's why. Okay, so then otherwise size bytes equals get byte count bitmap return. So, Casiris, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing tonight? Size bytes. I just finished a function. That's been taking me a while because I needed to have a million things around it. How are you doing tonight? Please talk to me. No one's talking to me. Please. Please. Spare a Kramakuchi. Absolutely fantastic. Mostly dehydration headache. Oh god, I hate those. Whenever I have a hangover, dehydration headache kind of deal, I will get a massive thing of water and then I will just run a bath and I will sit in it and drink water. I have no idea if that's good for you, but that's my solution. Okay, we have this working, mostly. We just have to use it. Okay, suppose we can make it now in BarcodeKANOJO app. Hydrate while hydrating. Yeah, yeah. Soak it in through your skin while you're drinking water. I have no idea if it works, but my brain says I can absorb water through my skin. So if I sit in a bathtub while drinking gratuitous amounts of water, I will get more water in me than when I was just drinking it. All right. Don't we have... Okay, instance right there. Oh, there. Okay. Well, what are you up to tonight otherwise? I'm hoping things are better than just terrible headache. We want. Where should I put it like settings? Reddit. Image cache came up like too quickly. Oh shit, image cache is in. Oh. That automatic naming AI is pretty damn good. Okay, so I just want to do new dynamic image cache, and then I want to do settings dot get cache size. Damn, autocomplete. Oh my god. My bro, or sister. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I know what it's like to have a shitty job. Oh no. Potion might be wearing off soon. Yeah, I work at an office job. The fucking 2 a.m. That's bullshit, my guy. What the hell are they doing working at 2 a.m.? It's like horse crap. Like, seriously, tell them off or something. If you can, I don't know the situation. But, goddamn. Shit. I think I've like had to work late like that once, and it was like, it was my fault in a way, but still, it didn't feel right. There's gotta be some like separate. 2 a.m. is me time, not work time. Unless I'm working a night shift, I suppose. Okay, we make the cache now. Oh god. Oh yeah, I feel that. I work with people in Malaysia at my job. And so there's always like a awkward like, okay, we have to schedule meetings at a time everyone's awake. I don't think we've gotten as bad as like 2 a.m. because like even in the States, like this isn't really like a time you want to be working. This is like, hey, I'm like, I might be preparing to go to bed right now. I'm sorry, guy. Oh my god. You're shitting me. You guys gotta figure out how to do meetings. Holy Hannah. That's some horse crap. I've never been on a meeting that long. Although I do have one lady that wants me to like get on like 4-hour meetings with her so I can tutor her. And it's like, I have my own stuff to do. I cannot just dedicate half my workday to yeah, there's a lot to work on still. I had to decompile the original app, then like start building it out again, remove a bunch of broken old libraries. It's been like a 3-year process, but it's getting places. It's definitely getting places. Oh, cool. I mean, for some reason, the emulator especially doesn't like the network. Oh, we got another icon. Gatorade downloaded. Yeah, it doesn't like getting bitmaps off the network, and I think that has to do with Apache. Also, like, the JSON files, like, terminate weirdly sometimes, and then that's how it communicates with the service by JSON. And yeah, I could give a whole college lecture on it, probably. Argan oil is probably one of my favorites. And argan oil is not loading. Did I crash the server somehow? No. Okay. No, I didn't. Good. Sometimes I do. CDN. Yeah, I'm switching it to I want to use the Glide SDK. That'd be nice, but I also want to support older versions. For various reasons, because also just mostly because I can. Yeah, the Android seems to not want me to use Apache with a burning passion, so I have my own HTTP URL like all set up, and that works all now. Just have to finish Apache off once and for all, because there's only one thing it's being used for left, and that's the images, the imaging, the downloaded pictures. Once I get rid of that, it'll all be gone. But the image cache is written garbage too, so I have to rewrite that, and they're all connected together, so I'm just gonna wipe it all out, destroy it, and then it'll all be good. It'll all be good. Destroy it, rebuild it. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, I'll build a better one. Oh, look at this shit. Look at this. I have like, if it's greater than Kit Kat, if it's greater than Honeycomb, if it's just everything else, I fucking support every Android version if I can help it. Cause why not? Oh my god, like I just like got some like thing working that was like LRU cache. Crap. And that was like, ooh baby. Baby, I didn't even know I could do this shit. I pull it off. Fuck yeah. I gotta figure this shit out. It'll probably be easy. Get bitmap for memcache. What does that mean? Image view. What are you talking about here? Image view. Oh, that might be that. Yeah, it's probably has to do with that. What is that? The get bitmap from memcache. What the heck is that? Huh. That's weird. Huh. We have to make a disk cache implementation too. I think I know. I have like basically one set up already. Right now, the memory cache is what I want to be working on. Because if I can at least get the memory cache working, it at least works. To some extent, it just has to re-download everything when the cache gets full and shit. When someone restarts the app. Which isn't ideal, but you know. It works. What is... Huh. What am I missing here? Part of me just wants to copy everything because I know that might work, but you know, I don't. It's never that easy. Well, everything's working with ranking the server. I just have to like switch it from a. I have a working replacement for Apache. I just have to. Well, I'm saying Apache, but it's the Apache HTTP components. HTTP mime shit. It's not like the Apache web server. It's the library for use connecting via HTTP to a URL. And that was apparent. It was apparently the standard back in like the gingerbread days, and that Android was like, no, no, no. We don't want to use that anymore. Please use something else. So now it's all like, oh well, I guess I gotta find something else. "60 FPS Persona 5 looks weird." Isn't it just run at 60 FPS, or... Yeah. What are you talking about? Oh, Scramble. It comes out soon, don't it? Debating hard. It's a hard debate for me. Scrambled eggs. I think Strikers is a better name though. I wish they stuck with the Japanese name. Persona 5, the Strikers. Hey, it's the thing is, I'm not convinced on the combat. I played the demo and I was underwhelmed with the combat. The combat did not entertain me as much as the originals did. I much preferred the turn-based. Ooh, Dan, I did. Melancholy, I did some cool shit. We're officially gonna have to, have 2 versions of the app now. We're gonna have to have a minimum API 9 and a minimum API 12. I know I did my best to get rid of that shit, but it's just unavoidable now. It has to do with like the way caches work or some shit. And now I have this Garbo. Yeah, so like, what is this get bitmap from Memcache? I don't know what... Is this a function I need to make? Oh, like the versions and shit. Yes, it's annoying. It's fucking annoying. But at the same time, if I operate under the assumption that I should support everything, I don't know, it becomes almost a game at that point. I'm sort of a masochist for it. Because nobody runs version 12 or 9. Google doesn't even support version 12 or 9 anymore. Like, everything's like, minimum 14. Minimum API 14. Don't even use the fucking support library, which is what I'm using, and I'm using like version 25 of it. But it's only for minimum API 9, which expects that you're below 12. But I mean, it's kind of cool to set it up a little, because then I have to like have these cool folders. Now each one has a special implementation for that version. It's kind of like, ooh, I'm special. I'm making special code. I'm a mess. That's been like my whole thing so far, is just setting that up. It's been the whole stream so far. Okay, hold on. Hold their horses here. I don't... Resource ID. Okay, that's not how this works. Okay, this isn't what I want. Okay, but we have this image view. We have image key string. Wait, gonna have the image key is going to be the file that we get. So that's gonna be a string. So okay. So fuck that. Get bitmap from memcache. And so that question mark means it can be null. Also, can't we just check if it's in the cache, and then if it's not, get it from the network? Wouldn't that work? I would think so. Makes sense to me. Oy vey. Okay, so let's think here. When we call to get an image, we're gonna have the file. So we have the file that would be part of the URL. That serves as a good key. Well, not in every situation though. Yeah, there's two for the Kanojo. The Kanojo are gonna have two different images. You're gonna have a face image, and then it can have like a profile picture. Well, no, I mean, it can have like a full portrait, or it can have just like a quick profile picture. It's just the face. So, well, I think I need a pee on this, and I'm probably gonna like, potion's probably gonna wear off by the time that happens. So I'll be right back, and I'll probably be a goblin by the time you see me again. Alright, I'm back. Went to the bathroom, shrunk a few feet, no big deal. Okay, so... This is still complicated. Gotta jack my seat up. There. Oh shit! It's the snack attack! Wait, no. No! What's up? How's it going? I just transformed. You're lucky I was just in my human form. Holy cow, everyone's chatting. Thank you for the raid, Snack. You got gifted 15 subs and it wasn't me? I have competition now. I guess I'm gonna have to fight somebody. That's a lot of damage. A lot of damage. Oh, damn. You got the biggest simp of them all now. How was it? I saw that you were playing Don't Starve in Among Us, I thought. You're dying. Don't die. You're not allowed. I forbid. Bye, Bean. Ah, I see. Fun time. Do I even have anything to drink? I cheers you with water. Hydration is important. Hydrate to dominate. Well, I welcome you all to the stream. I hope you all stick around. I am a goblin now. I'm only sometimes a goblin. As if the potion wears off on stream. Usually happens a little after 8. Thank you. I am glad you like me. Look, I can give you a bigger me. Look at me, I got like... You see all my goblin features. It's very, very cool. I think I work hard on it. I'm glad everyone likes... I was so freaking worried. I thought people wouldn't like me as a goblin. I'd have to continue hiding as an elf. But no. Everyone's so accepting as a goblin. That's why I became a VTuber, because I see so many other monster people. Thank you, Torin. Thank you, Snack. Thank you, Death Smoke. Thank you, Bean, if you're still there. And you too, Shook. You probably all, like, just gave me another achievement, honestly. There's so many of you. Like, goddamn. And we can have a higher resolution next stream. And maybe another frame a second. Holy fuck. You won't believe the shit I've dealt with on the code today. Holy Hannah. But, the waifus be looking fly as always. Look, chicken noodle soup. Hell yeah. Get out here, chicken noodle soup. There, that's chicken noodle soup. I don't know what brand though. Well, it's not a book, I'll tell you. It says book, I don't know if you can read that. It's not a book. My alpha testers are kind of lazy when it comes to some of this stuff. Suck. What suck? I don't remember this one. Ooh. Give me the suck. I wonder if this still crashes the app. Oh, it does. Oh, damn. There was something I wanted to check, though, on the app. Should probably look at it. Under... Oh. Okay, I can't do that. Huh. Interesting. I hope you're all winning. Wow, goddamn. I'm trying to figure out how to load a bitmap. We're in cash hell. We're in the dumpsters looking for cash. So we have image. We have to like a URL, right? And then we have like a set of images we already have downloaded. And I have to say, go to that set and say, okay, do we have this image downloaded? And that set, and I have to make that set say, uh-huh, or uh-uh. And, if it says uh-uh, then I gotta go to the server and get the image. So, yeah. That's the goal today. It's been a couple more hurdles than I would have liked. We now have to separate the app into 2 apps depending on what version of Android you run. That's not a problem, hopefully. I just have to figure out this thing. What is in an LRU cache? How do we... Oh yeah, I made that. Go to decoration. Alright. Oh, I can resize it? Oh. That means I have to edit some stuff. If I can resize it. Oh, damn. Where do I go for that? Oh, are you? No. I go on, no. There. 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 Okay, I need to cache size. To do. Change cache size actually in app. There. If we write it down, we'll do it later. It's not, we don't forget about tasks if we write them down, and we can procrastinate them on them longer. That's how everything works. Resize get equals null. We want to do a get. Yes, yes. But what if we don't have it in there? Okay, it returns the value for key if it exists in the cache. Or can be created? If a value is returned, it is moved to the head of the queue. This returns no if the value is not cached or cannot be created. What does the created mean? Put. Yeah, we're gonna have to put things in there eventually. Turn to size. Okay. Remove. Entry removed. Safe size of. Size of. Evac all size, max size. Where's this create thing? Wait a minute. You were pointing to me to this create. Oh, it's a linked hash map. Okay. Maybe we need to look here. Sorry for blinding everybody. It's probably really bright. What am I going for? Oh, 2 hours, 34 minutes. 35 minutes. Are you cache? We want to go to get. Alright, maybe I need to go to linked hash map. Java linked hash map. Create. Where is created. There's no create. By hashtag create. What is going on here? Huh. This is what? Oh my god. Goblin, I'm supposed to know this shit. It cannot be created. What does that mean? Not be created. What? Maybe if we look at the Android X version. I've killed a bug. It is no more. I'm sorry if I burst anyone's eardrums, but its existence was a peril to my existence. It needed to be destroyed at all costs. All costs. Where am I? How did I forget where I am? Again, hashtag create. And there's nothing fucking here. There's nothing here. Can be created by create. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh, protected methods create. Okay, that explains a bit. After a cache miss to compute a value for the corresponding key, returns the computed value or null if no value can be computed. What? Standardization. Other threads may access the cache when this method is executing. If a value or key exists in the cache, when the method returns, the created value will be released. What? Entry removed and discarded. This can occur when multiple threads request the same key at the same time, causing multiple values to be created, or when one thread calls put while another is creating a value for the same key. What the fuck am I looking at? I don't know what this is. Okay, so maybe we think about this in a little bit of a different way. Okay, so you have add bitmap. Okay, so this whole example down here has the functions. This is really freaking confusing. Add an image, add bitmap to cache. Okay, well, yeah, we want to do that. Get bitmap from memcache. Okay, where does get bitmap from memcache? There is no get bitmap from memcache. Is there like some source code I can look at for this? Am I missing something here? Ah, Potts! Thank you for the host! Welcome to the stream! There's a lot of people working, I think. Well, thank you. I'm trying to figure out this frickin' guide on how to use the LRU cache. And I'm thinking no, it's not helpful. Wait, no, I don't want to make a profile. No, just fucking fix your shit. How was D&D? I hope you had fun. Nobody died. Well, that's always a good sign. I don't want people to be dying. This doesn't exist. Why the fuck is it? It's a function that doesn't exist. You're doing shit behind their backs. Fuck yeah. You gotta be the chaotic evil in the party. But yeah, you are like the chaos boy, I forgot. Wait. The Kotlin version's incomplete. Fuck. Oh my god. My Jesus. Oh my Jesus Christ. Fuck. Okay. That explains everything that was wrong with this tutorial. Did you also fucking make the half of the tutorial part in the language I was using not complete? Was that you, Potts? You fucking chaos god? Don't do that. I've just been smacking my head against a rock for the past hour over this. Don't. Ah! Uh-oh. I appear to be stuck. My face is stuck. My face is actually stuck. Oh, fuck. They weren't lying. Oh, are we good? We're good? I fixed myself? Yeah, we're good. Okay, okay. Okay, it's good. I was stuck. Like, if they say if you make a funny face, you'll get stuck that way. I didn't believe them. Their world is too scary. I don't like it. I didn't know that shit. I didn't know you had actual magic in your world. I was like kind of getting away from that. I know I like use potions every day, but like, goddamn. Goddamn, bitch. I'm not supposed to know about the potions though. I can't tell you how they're made. I feel like it would probably overthrow the balance of this world. Yeah, but your world has like no magic in it, so if I were to like show you how to make stuff, it would probably topple the balance of your society very quickly. And I kinda don't want to go back to like what you people call the Middle Ages. So, yeah. I have a whole job based off software. I have a whole love based off software. I couldn't find that in my world. This shit's fucking dope. So I am supposed to just use get. Okay. I could just copy that shit. Laughs in chaos. Eats your ass in chaos. I'll fucking bite your ankles. Or your... I don't know. I'm not often around people when I'm in my goblin form. It's hard to judge how... I don't even know how tall I am. Honestly, I like go to the doctor in human form. Like, I don't know how tall I am. It's kind of weird. I know my height in human form, and that doesn't change, but like, I don't know how tall I am. I'm probably like, what? If I compare myself to my bed, probably like, what, around 3 feet? Probably around 3 feet tall. Not that tall. I'm probably over 3 feet by a little. Maybe I'm like 3'8" or something. Oh. I might be on the tall side of a goblin. I was taller than most people. I was like always taller than the other girls, but shorter than the guys. That's kind of weird middle ground. I was like equal to the height of most guy goblins or less than. And I was always greater than like a lot of the girl goblins. Yeah, well, I haven't seen another goblin in fucking years. Ever since I fell through the portal. That was a tragic day. Yeah, but fuck those guys. Never listen to me anyway. God. When was this updated? I thought you were chaos and evil incarnate, my man. Your story's changing on me. I mean, the guys that you killed were assholes, but like, God, you didn't have to like drain their blood, smear it all over the floor. But hey, at least I took your portal away, so haha. Single-use portals are a bitch. Goblins always have a techie. You didn't think there was one waiting outside with the fucking donkeys? Did you kill the donkeys too? Well, I'm glad it exploded on the other side. Now maybe your evil fucking Merlin man did. What the fuck? Damn it, image view dot set. Would that just be the image view? Why don't we just operate under that assumption? Seems to work. What the fuck am I looking at? Okay, well, let's just fucking copy that too, I suppose. Alright, so the one there's that means there's shit above it and below it. Huh. It wasn't y'all, it was only me. I fucking ran in there fucking because you were fucking running at me with a knife. Fucking what? Just walk in? Oh man, it's been a fucking 2 hours. And there's absolutely no fucking noise coming from inside. No one said anything. No one's come out. No one's done shit. I'm sitting in front of these fucking asses and even they're just chewing on grass and I'm just sitting there twiddling my thumbs. Oh, what's going on? I better go in. It must be fucking huge amounts of treasure. Or maybe they need help with something because they're all incompetent dicks. I walk in, I just see you there. Some fucking wizard sitting there with a fucking knife smearing blood all over the room in a fucking weird circle. And I go, oh, that's fucking bad. Fucking wizard locks door behind me with magic and I fucking panic and portal opens up, he's leaping at me with a knife, so I fucking go through the portal. I don't know what happened after that. Now go back to the other world. Go kill them. I haven't seen you do magic though, so unless you're out of it, unless you need more sacrifices. Probably make a shit living. Taking gold from the other world and bringing air. I used blood to fucking open the portal the first time, just do it again. That's not. That's the one. Yeah, and so have I. I like it here too, in a way. Us wolves. Also, humans are stupid. Fucking disguise myself as an elf and they all think I'm a human. With like some cosplay thing. Little do they know. Need to copy that bus task worker. Oh, I did copy that. That's right. Okay, so let's put that down there. Oh, that looks like fun. Wait, it didn't convert the Java. Yo, bitch. Oh, wait, maybe if I... It does have a Kotlin version. I don't know. I guess I'll copy the Kotlin version. Yeah, see, these two functions are gone in the Kotlin version. This is fucking horse shit. Import, my bitch. Rest in peace, Boger, Joger, Groger, and Goujer. Actually, just I'm thinking about we might have forgot somebody. Huh. Well, lucky them. Decode sampled bitmap from resource. My bro, I don't. Can't you just give me like a complete solution, my guy? Is there something in here I can use? Get that map from cache, have it back from cache. This is a create. I don't know. What the fuck is decode bitmap from resource? Usually they like have like the thing where like, oh, you can download this example. No, it's not there. Fragment, yeah. Wow, 3 hours spent. Oh damn, it's like 9 and I haven't been sleeping well lately. My god. I should sleep. Nah, but I don't want to end here. But I really should. I like streaming so much, but I really should like take care of myself. I don't have like hard streaming with a full-time job. Yeah, see? It says right here. This async task could be. Oh, that's just because it's. That's just because what async tasks do. They like are deprecating async tasks and like they don't have their shit up to date to not use them. Explain, bitch, why that's a good idea. Well, I gotta find where Potts lives and kill him. Alright. It's not a real gun. It's an airsoft gun. I don't know why I have an obsession with airsoft guns. That's gonna be you. When I find you. I go get the BB or whatever. I always shoot my bed. I wouldn't damage my blankets. Well, thank you. It's good to know I'm loved. Oh, even though it's not by a pretty girl. God, I don't know why, I just love, like, guns. Like, not, like, actually guns, but, like, I just like weapons in general, I think. Weapons are just cool. 'Cause I, like, want a collection of, like, model guns. That'd be so fucking cool. But I want them to be, like, durable and shit. Like, I want them to have the heft of, like, real gun. The durability of a real gun. But I don't need a real gun. But I kinda just want a real gun because they're cool. But I wouldn't even buy ammo for it. But that'd be too expensive, so why not just buy a model gun? I know, prop weapons, my guy. I have a prop revolver, but it literally just fell apart, like, last weekend. It was, oh god, it fell apart hard. The barrel fell off, then the thing that loads out the used shells fell off, and that actually snapped in half, the thing that pushes out used shells. And then I'm just like, the spring fell out, and it's like, oh god, there's nothing left of you, my guy. Screws are all loosening, and I probably dropped on the floor too many times trying to spin it, which I got kind of good at. I have like a Beretta 92 airsoft gun. I gotta turn on the safety. And I can like spin that like forever. And even that's got like damage on it because I keep spinning it and dropping it, and then it like some piece flies off. It's like, oh fuck, no. I can't look at it now and be complete, done. It's so cool. I don't know, it just feels like I'm a badass. I feel like I'm Solid Snake or some shit. It's so cool. Prop weapons though, yeah. Even prop weapons can be a bit expensive. I'm not. There's a way I can get a bit. It's, Decode sample with bitmap from resource. We are not. Does that have a tax? No. Nah. Bullshit. That's not how that works. I don't think. Nah. There's no reason for that. The system handles that. It works fine thus far. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, so currently, when we get an image, let's look here. Where'd I fucking write that Goujer shit? It's like, God, I can't create, execute. Okay. Hash.store, input stream, URL file, store, go to. Declaration, okay, well, fuck you. What's a void? Okay. This is what I need. Okay. I don't think this actually returns me an image, does it? This is the old one.
I never knew anything like this in the whole of my life. This is a glass of water, colorless.
Is it?
Tasteless. It contains 100 gamma of LSD.
What the fuck is element D? And how do you measure something in gamma? Is there anything in this that returns a bitmap? Where did the bitmaps go? I got fuzzled. Alright, I have to find where it's taking the input stream and making it a bitmap, but I suppose... Yeah, how do I take an input stream and make it a bitmap? That's a question, I suppose. Bitmap.
Everything is in color, and I can feel the air. I can see it. I can see all the molecules. Can't you see it? See it? See it? See it?
Great bitmap. What the fuck's a picture? I don't know. How do we make a bitmap? I'm not sure how to make a bitmap out of an input stream. Or whatever the fuck. Yeah, input stream. Because we have an input stream of the characters, right? But I don't like the data from it, but how do we make that a bitmap? I'm doing it somewhere. Somewhere in here it's happening. Remote Resource Manager. I thought this was doing it. Oh, look at that. Bitmap factory.decode input stream URI parse key. There we go. Bitmap factory.decode stream. Alright. That works for me, bitch. Works for me. Except I want to, that's in the image cache. So that Wait a fuck. Oy vey. Oy vey. Alright, we're gonna call this stream at 9 minutes. Cause I do need to... As much as I want to, and it's against my better judgment to continue, I should stop. Which is... Like, all my viewership, whenever I look, it always... Don't poop the goblin's nose. Don't poop the goblin's nose. You fucking think I'm fucking cute and shit because I'm small? I'll fucking rip your face off. Don't fuck with me. I have the power of God and anime on my side. You won't like me when I'm... got a club. I haven't exercised in a while. I was the tech person even in the old world. Okay, so I think that the image cache in this case was the memory cache. Yes. Okay, so image cache was a memory cache. The base disk cache was the disk cache, as I said, I guess. So I don't know. It's hard to say. Oh my god. Okay, so the image cache did that. So the image cache is how this all works. Now I just want to have... I want to have both ideally. So I need to redo the disk cache. This just kind of became a bit more complicated in my mind. The design of this anyway. Okay, so here's how we're gonna plan this out. What we're gonna do Alright, so design, thank you Pots, but design plan. What we're gonna do is we're going to have to Well, the disk cache will... Maybe I should write this. I should write this down. Okay, let's write it down. Alright. Alright, how do we want this to work? How do we want this to work? Oh, thank you. We want... So when we first come in, we want image. We want image. So we have the key. Okay, so we have the key. We have a key. Okay, so we go to memory cache. We go to memory cache first. Then we go, if that doesn't have it, we go to the disk cache. And then if that doesn't have it, we go to server. If the server does not have it, okay, well, the server is going to have it. The server always has it. But, you go to the server. The server will give us back this server will give us back what? It'll give us back the image. We'll have the image then. Because of course it ends else and well, we have it as a bit else. Okay, so alright, then we return the bitmap. Return bitmap. Okay, I suppose anything about this too. Okay, we give it to the memory cache as give it to the memory cache. Return as return bitmap. Server. Okay, the server then goes through the same process, basically. This is the process we need to do. Okay, then. I'm thinking I should increase my height on stream. I feel like I'm kind of small and in the corner sometimes. I'm also kind of out of the way. Sort of a debate. I don't know. Huh. So we have to map out this chain somehow. So we should probably start at the top, right? So that would be our memory cache. That's our LRU cache that we're working on right now. Okay. So when we have this is not necessarily the thing. If that makes sense. We do want to have this in a different thread, and that's always a pain in the fucking ass. We're not decoding the image. Well, we are going to be decoding the image here. In a way, yeah. Yeah, this, the code examples are horribly out of date for this. I think we have good progress. We definitely want to use the LRU cache, so it's not like that's gone to vain. I know that I can't. That's not sustainable for my health. Okay, who are we rating? Because I can't just leave these people. Shachimu. I like Shachimu. They're a smaller streamer I like. Let's go Raid them. I'm terrified. So, but don't be annoying to them. Just like, be cool. They're chill. They're cute. They're chill. Just be cool. Don't be a big old annoying raid mess. Because we don't know them. You're only allowed to be an annoying mess of raiders to my friends, and this is not my friend. So, just vibe, my guys. All right, I'm starting the raid. All right, everybody. You all have fun now. Bye-bye.